Russia's Sukhoi Su-57 is one of the only operational fifth-generation fighters anywhere on the planet, keeping the rare company of China's Chengdu J-20 and America's Lockheed Martin F-22 and F-35. The aircraft will be equipped with multi-mission capabilities, automation and artificial intelligence technologies to significantly boost the capabilities of the Russian Air Force. Su-57 offers a supersonic range more than 1,500 kilometers, more than 2 times of the range of Su-27 fighter. The fighter jet is currently powered by Izdeliye 107 or AL-41F1 augmented turbofans. Future production batches will be equipped with the new Izdeliye 30 engines. Sukhoi Su-57 can cruise at the speed of Mach 2 without use the afterburners. It can achieve a range up to 3,500 km while traveling at the subsonic speeds. If you want to see more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Russia is also looking to field the S-70 Okhotnik or the Hunter B strike drone alongside the Su-57 in a teaming arrangement in war-like situation. This stealth-capable drone is also likely to be deployed as a low wingman for the Sukhoi Su-57 fighter. Unlike the initial J-20 aircraft, the Sukhoi Su-57 is incorporated with the 3D thrust vectoring controls that can enable improvement maneuverability at the high speeds and altitudes. The 3D thrust vectoring control capability is also deemed to be better than that of the F-22 Raptor. The high maneuverability and supersonic cruise capability are expected to give the fighter an upper hand in close-range dogfight scenarios. Falcon has 2 side bays to store short-range air-to-air missile and 2 internal weapon bays mounted between the engines. Carrying weapon initially will reduce drag while allowing the aircraft to maintain a low radar profile. The 101KS Atoll infrared search and track sensor mounted on the nose allows the aircraft to detect and engage stealth targets from distance. The IMA-BK integrated avionics suite comprising multi-core microprocessors and a new real-time operating system has the capabilities to automatically track enemy targets and suggest the most effective solution to the pilot. The side-looking radar allows the pilot to execute a tactic known as beaming, in which the aircraft turns perpendicular to enemy's pulse Doppler radar array to avoid detection. It also enhances the situational awareness of the pilot. The aircraft's super maneuverability is also to dodge incoming long-range missile and engage enemy aircraft within visual range. Dear viewers, do you think Su-57 is worth more than J-20 and F-22 Raptor? Don't forget to comment down below.